Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So check in Bitcoin. Talked about a triangle formation yesterday. I was really looking at the horizontal formation right here. Finally got above that 4100 level, spiking up. We had next level 4203. What did we get to a high of 4218? Now pulling back. I've now updated the next two GAN levels higher. So you can see those here, assuming this bar is the high for the next few hours. You know, we want to see some kind of pausing bar that doesn't take this out. If this bar, the red bar right now, takes out this, then you'll have to update these levels on your own. But right now, the next major keys on a continued rally are 42.84 and 43.51. Then we'd be watching for the return to 43.84, the most recent high. Key levels of support now. The rotation zone is all the way back down at 4,025. If we pull back beyond 4,100 GAN level, and that was these spike highs areas, I'd be watching really for about 4,053. There's 8's going to keep rising, so that'd be my next major level of support to watch for rotation back up. And if that didn't hold, then I'd be watching down around 4,000. The 21's going to come in there. You see this was a little resistance there, so that 4,000 level is going to be key on the next pullback. This move up did invalidate this double top that got to the first stop reduction target and then got stopped out. So that's what we have for you based off the 4 hour of Bitcoin. Let's check in on a daily. So you see also here, right above where we are sitting right now is the declining 50 period moving average with this 42.37 cluster. So that's going to be a key area. At least use it to move up stops if you got long anytime in here or on this breakout. Switch over to Ethereum. Ethereum finally closing below the rotation zone, catching on the next key GAN level down, moving up, not able to get to the most recent highs. Again, we're talking about waning momentum. Now this is not doing a super big pullback. It's more just moving sideways and letting the daily rotation zone catch up. So we're going to switch to that in a second. Key level, if we get that back below this 154, then watch for key support coming in at 150. That's where the 50 period exponential moving average on the 4 hour chart is, in this little support zone right there. And then we're going to flip over to the daily chart, which we're going to do right now. Daily chart. So we got 8 catching up. So we're going to see this is, if we can even pull back though, and tomorrow especially watch for a break and turn higher with 8 pushing the price. If this 150 level does not hold, right now the 8 EMA is 151.72. But if that does not hold, then we'll start watching for the bigger pullback based off the daily time frame to around 146 to 144, and if that fails, major support coming in at 138. But let's see what happens with 8 pushing the price. When the 8 catches up, we generally, if we're in bullish mode, get explosive moves higher, or at least moves that could take us to the next key levels higher, which I'm not changing at this point. So nothing else to report for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a little moving now with a little strength. Ethereum's lagging, but we'll have to see if Ethereum turns on the burners later tonight or tomorrow morning. So what we have for you for this latest Bitcoin and Ethereum update, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.